Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon boy's face. Hey, and welcome to today's lesson on how to draw a cartoon. I'm John-Marc, and I will be instructing you on some tips and techniques on how to become a better cartoonist and sketching. So let's begin. So we're going to be working on a little boy's face. And as you can see, I create the head right now. I have my little guidelines to indicate where my nose and eyes and mouth will go down. And as I'm sketching, I'm going pretty light on my pencil right now. I don't go very hard. And then when I come back, I'll make a little bit more darker when I really know that I think that's the final line. So working on the ear there, as you can see, it's a little bit tipped down on the left and the other one's higher up because that's that guideline in the middle that helps me to know the perspective and the angle. So let's just work on a little collar here. And this is just a standard face, or you could change the smile and change the style of the eyes and the hair. This is a good basic foundation on how to create a 3/4 shot view of a face. And feel free to use this and change the hair, change the nose, everything again. So it's a good base to follow. All right, so let's get a little bit more in detail with this now. Go a little darker to finish him up. I kind of played up with my son, John-Luc, kind of how his hair is messed up all the time, stylized. So this is like a little fun cartoon version of my son, actually. All right, so let's get the little eyebrows in there. Really big expression, big smile. Get the ear on the other side, the cheek there. And let's get that collar there. All right, that's looking good. All right, let's just work on maybe a shoulder on both sides and lay it out. Okay, just quickly. And again, I want to really share with you that the technique of sketching is very vital becoming any type of artist. You can't sketch with a Sharpie pencil or a pen. You need to really understand how to sketch with a pencil. That's a great lesson to learn. And it'll help you in all your projects and become a better artist. As you can see there, when I sketched out the top row there, I wasn't so sure with the hair, and I changed it as I did. That you can do with a pencil. You can't do that with a Sharpie. All right, so let's work on his little eye. It does get a little cheek there, underneath his eye there and over there as well. It's looking good. A little bit more shadowing and detail around the edges now. All right, let's fix that shoulder there a little bit more again. That's when you sketch, it makes it a little bit easier. I'm just going to put my son's initials there, JL. All right, I think we're just about done with that one. As always, let's sign and date, and thanks for watching this video and have a great day.